Pakistan Zindabad. Assalamualaikum, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Zoha Ahmed and I am back with another YouTube video which is about Independence Day. You guys will gonna really enjoy this video. So let's start.
An important date for every Pakistani. Pakistan's Independence Day, which is annually held on August 14, which celebrates the country's independence by the British rule on the day in 1947. This day is the occasion to promote patriotism and national unity. I will state some interesting fact about Pakistan. It's home to the youngest Nobel laureate. Home to the second highest mountain Keru, third highest Richmond and the three highest mountain ranges in the world. The largest deep sea port inside. It has the largest volunteer ambulance service in the world. Pakistan ED Foundation proudly runs the world's largest volunteer ambulance service in the world, which is a record held by Pakistan since 1997. Honest for you, Pakistan is a very beautiful country full of culture and excitement and greenery.
मिट्टी के तावीज़ बना के नाम वतन का गले लगा के हर मुश्किल से हाथ छुड़ा के तेरे सारे ख्वाब बचा के बस इतना पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान शुक्रिया मुस्कुरा पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान